Hi, this is Switch from Switch AI, and we are going to try Adobe Firefly for the first time. It's in beta mode, but we can try three features. Adobe has released three features only: text to image, text effect, and recolor vector. We are going to try all three, but before that, I want you to know that there are more upcoming features in Adobe Firefly. You can see this one, generative fill. You can use brush to add and remove object from any image created by AI, or you can upload your own image. And the other one, you can upload image and AI can generate alternative image of that particular image. And the third one is text to vector. You can just give a prompt to Adobe AI and it can turn that prompt into a vector file. You can easily customize it. So there are many features we are going to explore in the future, but Adobe hasn't released them yet. So the feature we are going to try are these: text to image, text to effect, and picture color. So at first we are going to try text to image. Click on generate. See, you can see the image generated by AI. You can submit your own image on Adobe Gallery. You will get the option once you create an image. I will let you know how you can give your prompt here if you want to. If you don't have any prompt, you can just simply go ChatGPT or Google Word, or you can simply write something like, let me try a prompt. After writing the prompt, you can click on generate. It will take some seconds. After that, the result will be here. So let's wait for some seconds. This is here. These are the AI generated image on Adobe Firefly. It's so good. It's so good. No AI can compete with it. So good. And there are many options. You can change the aspect ratio. You can change it in landscape if you want to. It will take some more seconds. Once you select aspect ratio, you don't have to regenerate it again and again. You can just click on a square again and it will be like before. You can generate landscape and you can generate portrait, and you can also generate build screen for YouTube banners and Facebook cover pages. And portrait as for Instagram Reels. You can use square as well in Instagram post if you want to. And there are content type, how you want your content to be. You want it graphics, you want it art, or you want it photos, or none of them. So we can try none of them, and we tried none of them. Let's see how the result will be. It's so good. It feels so realistic when you select none of them without any graphics, without any art. It doesn't look AI generated. It's look, yeah, someone clicked it in space. You can see this. This is the level of Adobe Firefly. Nobody can match it. These are content type. You can select photo. The photo will be generated within some seconds. You have to wait for it. You can see the difference. All of them. There are slight difference. Let's create a graphic. You can see the difference. You can see the difference in content type. The slightest different, but when you select none of them, it feels so realistic. And you can select a style. There are many styles. If you select on a style, click on all. Or if you want to know the popular ones, you click on popular ones and click on digital art. And let's click on generate. Let it generate. If you want to merge two styles in one image, you can select both styles and click on generate. See, it's so good when you combine two styles in one image. It feels so unrealistic. Nobody can match this level. I'm telling you, nobody can match this level. Adobe Firefly is a boss of all AI generated image tools. We are going to select the third one. We are going to apply 3 styles on one image. Let's see what will be the result. Excited to see the changes. This is the first time I'm trying, so let's not judge me and let's not judge how I'm speaking. This is the best image I have ever seen in my entire life, which is generated by AI. If you want to deselect the style, you can simply cut from here, cut all the style, or you can click on clear style and then generate again. You can change different style, effect, material, concept. This is style, movement, themes, techniques. etc, etc. If you want to turn into a pencil drawing, you can click on that, apply a pencil drawing style, and it will turn into a pencil drawing. Or click on stippling, hit generator, remove pencil drawing, click on generate, and wait some second. See, this is the stippling art. You can change the color and tunes. If you want it in black and white, you can see it will turn into black and white. Click on generate. See, this is the black and white image. You can see this, the beauty of AI. The AI is here, and you can see the beauty in Adobe Firefly. You can choose lighting, backlighting, dramatic lighting, golden hour, studio lighting, low lighting. You can select composition, blurry background, close up, wide angle. If you want a close up look, you can click on close up, click on generate. You don't have to rewrite the close up in the prompt. You can choose from composition. So let's try another prompt. We are going to ChatGPT, go with new chat and write. See, ChatGPT will give you 10 prompts. You can simply copy and paste each prompt and see how it turns into. Click on copy, select all, come here, select all, control E, clear style, generate. This is the different prompt we are trying on Adobe Firefly. You can see the difference. You can see how beautiful it looks. And you can download these images. Simply click on it. If you want to download from here, you can click on download, or you can click download from here if you want to. And if you want to submit on Adobe Firefly, you can submit to Firefly Gallery. If you don't want to submit, it's okay. You can simply download it. It will come with the Adobe watermark. Click on continue. You can simply open this image. This is the watermark of Adobe Firefly. It will come with the image if you download it from here. Okay, let's try another feature of Adobe Firefly. Go back. This is the gallery. If you want to submit your images, you can submit here. Click on back. Click on text effect. See, these are the text effect. If you want to try it, you can enter your text. We are going to enter our channel name, Switch AI, Firefly World. Click on generate. This is Firefly based text effect. If you want to download it, you can download from here. If you want to use it, you can use it anywhere. It has transparent background. You click on download. If you want to download, simply like before, click on continue. It will be like that. You can see the watermark of Adobe Firefly. These are the sample prompt. If you want to try sample prompt, you can click on nature, flower, snake, whatever you want, jungle mine, leafy pots, tiger fur, lava, ice cream, decay, material and texture. These are many sample prompts. You can choose font, you can choose background color, text color. If you don't want it to be transparent, you can choose your background color. Thank you for watching.